Being so patient. I'm sure everyone's had a terrible day. I'm pretty impressed with the turnout here. I want to thank everyone. All the suppliers have been amazing for showing up and showing their support in such a worthy cause. So without further ado, the prizes on the door, if you haven't seen the little leaflet, I only printed out 8 of them. I think I was a bit short. So first prize is a brand new Skag SFC 21 that'll be delivered to your door. You'll probably be one of the first contractors in Australia with one, besides me, of course. But second prize, because we had so much generosity from everyone, we've got a 21-inch self-drive mower from Cox. And for third prize, we have a Duracut 410. So yeah, how about we get Sarah here from Red Kite to come and have a chat and tell you about the charity and what they do. And yeah, I'll hand you over.
Oh,
Thanks.
Thanks, guys. Okay, can you hear me okay? Fab, okay. Thanks, BJ. So, hey, my name's Sarah and I work for Red Kite, which is the childhood cancer charity which you guys are supporting today. A huge thank you to all of you. I know some of you have travelled really long distances to be at the event. So thank you all for coming and obviously donating really generously and buying tickets. Obviously, a massive thank you to everyone who's donated prizes as well, and to BJ for organising it, because it's been excellent. So thank you very much. Just a little bit about Red Kite in case you don't know about us. A child's cancer is much more than the medical survival. Cancer impacts every aspect of life for both the diagnosed child and their family members. It threatens children's futures and their family survival, and the effects of cancer are felt long after treatment ends. Every day here in Australia, 3 families will hear the words, "Your child has cancer," and in that moment, their entire lives are turned upside down. This is where Red Kite steps in. So we've been around for about 40 years, providing families with critical emotional, financial and practical support. We're there for all of them, from diagnosis throughout treatment, which can last months and sometimes years and beyond, empowering them to manage cancer's immediate and longer term impacts. So I mentioned there that 3 children are diagnosed every day in Australia, and in most cases, overnight, one of those child's parents will have to give up work to be by their child's bedside in hospital, reducing their family to a 1-income household. That's if they had 2 incomes to begin with. And as you can imagine, this puts families under enormous pressure. Almost half of these families will have to live in separate households, often one parent and siblings at home and the diagnosed child and a parent in the hospital, which means double the expenses. On average, childhood cancer costs a family around $30,000 in unexpected expenses, and in the current climate, as the cost of living increases, so does the pressure and stress for our families that we support. So what does our support actually look like in reality? So we provide critical and practical support services that not only help the family to survive their child's cancer diagnosis as a family, but thrive beyond. The support comes in many forms, from hospital to home counselling with our social workers based in each state, financial assistance to help pay for bills. We have a diagnosis support red bag when people are in the hospital. We provide music therapy, and sadly, in the reality with childhood cancer that not all children will survive, we also provide bereavement support. Currently, there are too many families not receiving the support that they so desperately need. Our vision is that every family in Australia facing childhood cancer receives Red Kite support, so families can survive childhood cancer and children can thrive, move forward and achieve their full potential. Your generous support today helps us support more families and our vision for this. We don't receive any government funding, so we rely very heavily on individual and corporate supporters and fundraising events as this. So your generous support, honestly, will make such a huge difference to us and the families that we support. So thank you all once again.
Thanks. Do you want to have a chat?
G'day guys, my name is Will. I know a lot of you guys here today have come out of your own free time, and I just want to say thank you. Some of you guys have flown from New South Wales, South Australia, Victoria, so it's absolutely amazing to see the turnout. This is probably one of the first events of this nature and size in Australia, and we want to try and make this an annual event. So this wouldn't be possible, and the money that we're raising for Red Kite wouldn't be possible without the amazing community of the Australian lawn contractors and you guys. So Don't just give, you know, me and BJ or a red kite a clap on the back, but, you know, all of you guys deserve it as well. So if you can all give it up for everybody here because you've all taken time out to be here. So thank you. And also know as well that we do want to make this an annual event, and you know BJ is definitely the leading guy on this. I've literally just come here today to really show my support to this man for doing all of this off his own back. Like it's absolutely fantastic that we have someone like BJ in Australia that can bring a huge network of contractors together. I also want to say thank you to all the different suppliers here. You know, some of the contractors here today probably don't know that there are so many different brands out there willing to support the change in our industry and the professionalism that is growing and growing every day. The urge for new and better technology and equipment is becoming more relevant here, and it's days like today that really showcase a lot of those newer products. And it's amazing to see all the suppliers here and their generosity for, you know, the equipment that we are raffling off. So thank you again to all the suppliers that are here as well.
Some people are just really
BJ, what do we got for the first prize?
The first prize is the Skag SFC 21.
All right.
Here we go.
So what colour are these? These
are all red tickets.
Red tickets.
So get them out.
So nobody scream out and go, I've got a blue one.
So it'd be nice to.
Okay. All right.
If he's happy with us to put stuff
Come on,
up.
BJ.
Yes. Yeah, he will. Okay.
Oh mate, my tits will come out. We got Red C31. Hey, bingo! Woo! Look out! That's the man right there you want to see.
Who's got a Skag? Congratulations.
SFC 21. But that's mine. He can't have that one.
Can you hear me? That's all right. Doesn't matter. Oh, I'm coming back.
Come back.
I'm really running away from you. Second prize?
Second prize is we got the Cox 21 inch.
If people don't know what the Cox 21 inch is, it's just there, the red mower. It's a 3-speed self-propelled system. Absolutely fantastic commercial mower.
C55. Hey! Look out! It's got like a target. Mate, it's sitting over there waiting for you.
Are you keeping these tickets here?
Yeah, I'm pocketing them.
Wait, all right, yeah. Because otherwise we're going to totally forget.
Double dip them.
All right, and the third prize is?
The third prize is D19.
For a rover?
For a rover.
Anybody? There you are. There you go.
Hey, look out.
Yay. Okay,
all right. So the first cab off the rank, your choice. There's other prizes. Just check the list first. Is D53. Black. Sorry about that.
Shuffle. Abby, don't stooge me. Where are you?
Yeah, look out. Woo! Go across, sir. Pick your prize.
Don't touch my pizza oven.
All right, I'll pocket these tickets too. Or should I just throw them back in for good luck?
No, you need to be writing people's names on them, you goose.
Oh, I don't have a pen. All right, this is a green ticket, and it is D01.
Come on, he's over here.
Hey, look out!
Don't touch my pizza oven.
Don't come to me. You go over there, sir. Pick your prize. Pick what you'd like. Whoa, what's going on here? I know who's got this one already. All right, so we have a black double C01.
Hey, here he goes.
That's when you know you've sold a lot of raffle tickets, when you have to double up and get your kids to write double letters on them. So that just goes to show how well we've done. Come on, mate. Time's a ticking.
You got 30 seconds.
Come on, quick.
30 seconds to pick.
Yay!
Green works for the win.
Nah.
Mix
it. Shake it. Oh, shit. Oh, get back in it.
You got one?
All right, this is a purple ticket. A23. Hey! You're gonna have to shake that. We need some people from over here winning. What's going on?
Maybe we should go over there.
No, it's not going to make a difference.
Oh, isn't it?
No.
Isn't that how it works?
No.
Oh, fuck.
Times they are ticking. All right, if you won a prize, can you take it out of the mix so people don't get confused?
You got 30 seconds, counting down.
He's got it. He's got it.
Really had to go for the Toro.
Good on you, bro.
Toros are good. Ish.
Look out, Milwaukee's come through with something. We have a, what is it?
21-inch recycler with 12 amp starter kit.
All right, do you want to tell us a bit about it and I'll do the draw?
It's a lawnmower and it goes fast.
It's a lawnmower and it goes fast. So you want to dig around or?
Are these business cards?
Yeah,
We'll
man.
dig around.
Oh, wow.
Go for it.
It's only one.
That's not mine.
Go, mate.
Yeah, I'm getting there. All right, we got Warhorse Mowing.
Yeah!
Stuart. Where is he?
Was!
There he is.
Hey, congratulations,
mate. Thank you.
There I was about to fucking go.
Now, don't
He's
crack the
fucking
stats.
Did everyone see that? Just because I'm holding the mic, he's left me hanging.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, there we go. That's better. Even better. Thank you very much, everyone. This has been an incredible day. I'd love to invite.
Has someone taken your gift voucher? Oh, good.
Yep, it's gone. I'd love to invite any of the suppliers up here if they want to have a chat. But if you don't, that's cool. But I'd really like to thank everyone. The donations were incredible. We had over 30 grand's worth of prizes, I'm pretty sure. I lost tally because people were just throwing things at me at the end. And yeah, so if anyone wants to jump up here and have a chat.
Paul Sheehan, please.
Paul Sheehan? Do you want to have a chat, Paul?
Come on, Paul.
Benny? Luke? He's got his hand.
No one gives an F. Get your butt up here. Someone else can do it.
Come on, Paul. Now, Paul was, I let Paul know about the event and he was straight on it. He was really good, and I'd really like to thank the Bushranger Gravely crew, the RGS guys. And as always, my crew from Skag, man, they've been amazing. This whole event wouldn't have been a thing if they weren't behind me. So here's the man, Uncle Paul.
Thank you, man. Well, I don't know why I'm standing here and why you called me over, because I was making sausages.
Yeah, thought we needed a break.
It's great to see all of you contractors here. It's really good from that LMCA page to see how you guys get behind each other, and a great event for a great cause. So obviously, as at RGS, we were really happy to jump on behind BJ and give it all the support we can. Please just keep helping each other. It's great to see on that page how you guys all help each other. It's very unusual in an industry where competitors actually jump on and do help each other. And from us at RGS, we really appreciate your support too, through our mower dealers, retail dealers, RGS with our GA brand of aftermarket parts. We've just picked up Gravely, we're running with that. With Bushranger, we really appreciate you guys getting behind and supporting our brands and supporting the mower dealers, because at the end of the day, like you guys, they're family businesses as well. So we really concentrate on backing those family businesses because that's what we want to do, rather than put it in the big box stores. But please get behind your local dealer and support those guys. Thanks. Thanks, BJ. Awesome.
Thank you very much, Paul. I've got some special mentions. Look, he couldn't be here today, but a massive shout out to Robert Shearer from Skag. He's been looking after me since I sort of came on board with them, and he was a big inspiration for this event. I sort of mentioned it to him, and he's like, yeah, knacker bags, you can do that. And it just grew from there, really. But another big shout out to my wife and my sister-in-law, Louise. Sam, you did an awesome job. The lineup never quit, but you handled it like champions. The girls at the coffee shop, man, thank you so much. You've kept everyone, you know, amped up and buying raffle tickets. And I'll probably see you next week like 5 or 6 times because I'm going to be tired until then. But look, there's still a bit of time left. Keep doing what you're doing. Go and grab sausages, bacon and egg burgers. Go and grab whatever you need to grab while you're here. And yeah, just enjoy the rest of the day. And if anyone's keen for a beer, we're going to head to the Alex Hills Hotel after we're all wrapped up and packed up. And hope to see you there. We're going to have a cuddle and a beer.
I'm going to borrow that for 1 second.
Oh, we have some more.
And I just found out who's giving a 0 turn away. It's Aiden over there, so go and talk to him. If he says no, punch him. Don't lie, Aiden. You did send me a message just then saying you're going to give away a mower. Skag's best. Peace.
You got to lick your hand first and...
That's alright. We've already missed that.
Well done. Fuck you.